Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to delete your YouTube search history. Recently, YouTube introduced a new update to the mobile version of the app, which slightly changed the process of clearing your search history. But don't worry, just follow along with my steps, and you'll learn how to do it in no time. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and ensure you're logged into your account. If I click on the search icon to search for something, you'll see my search history displayed right here. These are the topics I've previously searched for. Let's go ahead and delete this. Start by tapping on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Settings. In the past, there was a History and Privacy button in the Settings menu, but that button is no longer there. Instead, what you need to do is tap on Manage All History. A new window will open, displaying all of your YouTube history. To clear your search history, simply click on Delete. You'll be given options to delete today's history, select a custom range, or delete everything from all time. Once you've deleted it, go back to the search bar and you'll see it's completely clear. We've successfully deleted the YouTube search history. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.